Hi guys, we're Tim and Sandy and of course Pablo, and we love travelling around in our 2004 Mercedes Sprinter. For the next few weeks, we are taking on the east coast and central Tasmania. But first, we must make the journey down in a hurry to catch the ferry. We do have a few bike carrier issues, but we also get a couple of great park-ups on the way. Welcome to our channel, The Sandvan.
Good morning. As you can see, it is raining outside. Where are we?
Shell Harbour.
Shell Harbour. It is beautiful, and we drove in yesterday. We couldn't see much of it because we came in at sunset, which was nice. We went for a walk on the beach last night, but this morning looks a bit dull out there.
It's a bit wet and rainy.
It is a bit wet and rainy out there. Not sure what the plan is, but I'm sure we'll update you in a minute. Tim is making breakfast. We started having AG1, which is athletic greens, because a few people that we've watched on YouTube have this and swear by it. So we're giving it a 30-day challenge here on holiday, and we'll see how it goes.
Yes, just one scoop a day. That's all we need. Anyway, for later on, for the plans for the day, we've got to go to ALB because the scooter we've got, the rack, keeps scraping on the ground when we go on the inclines when we go into the campsite. So we're going to try and get an extender, so make it higher, or some sort of solution. Otherwise we've got to be really, really careful when we go into sites. Doesn't take much for it to scrape. So, you know that silicone seal thing? It's now inside there.
Oh no!
I won't give you the one with the silicone seal in it.
Excellent.
Because it's around the top of the bottle. Oh, that's where it goes, around the top of the bottle.
Anyway, we will we'll continue on and we'll catch you up soon.
So the problem we've got is because we've got such a long back end on Vinny, and then we've got the scooter comes out such a long way. When we go up a bump, this goes down real low, and that's what's hitting here. When we go, even a little bump like this is causing that. So what we're going to do is get a dual hitch, which goes in and has a higher receiver mount, and then that can go in and we can be up here, lift the whole bike up. That's what we need. That's what we're after.
A bit nervous about to get this off the back. Slow, slow, slow. Keep going, keep going. Just the hit when you went down, but it was just the lock. Yeah. Yeah, when you went down, it just the lock hit, but you sped up as it was going to get hit. Yeah, I thought you were doing it slow.
Yeah, well
anyway, we need the lift kit.
Yeah. Good to go?
Good to go. We are off to try and get this dual hitch. We're trying to find somewhere on our way, so yeah, let's see how we go. We're just going to get out of here first.
We decided to have a quick stop for lunch at Batemans Bay. It's such a lovely spot with magnificent beaches and water sports both on the sea and along the Clyde River. We will definitely have to come back here. We decided to park Vinny underneath these gorgeous trees for some shade and our hideaway for a nice cup of tea.
We're matchy today and we have to go into the shops like this. I'm thinking about getting changed, but nah.
We're going to get matching shell suits one day.
We're going to have that cute couple matchy-matchiness going on. He's got something. Did you get it?
That's the thing. I don't quite like the thing I wanted, but it still does the same thing.
Oh, so that's the... Oh. Will that lift it enough? Yeah.
That's the highest they do. So.
Okay. Cool.
It's gonna have to do.
Are you going to put it on now or?
No.
Or later on?
When we're at the campsite.
Okay. All right then. Well, that's good. We found something. So now we're off to Eden, which is just north of Boyd Town. So We'll see when we get there when we fix the back of this thing.
Well, we've arrived at the caravan park, but we can't, well, Sandy can't remember if it's the right one, so this could be fun. Because we've got no confirmation or booking reference. So let's just hope there is. It looks nice, right by the water, so see what happens.
So this is our park up for the evening. It looks really, really nice. There wasn't any particular places to park. She just said free reign. So this is where we are, right next to the camp kitchen. And the ocean, I believe, well, not the ocean, is it a lake or an ocean? I'll have to have a look. Actually, I believe it's a lake or a bay. And there's beach access we can walk through. It's nice, isn't it?
Pretty through there.
Yeah, it is. Looks like there's the toilets and stuff over there. It is just massive property.
Some very big sounding birds as well.
We're just heading down to the beach to see it is actually a bay with a beach. So we're just going to head there now and check it out. It's such a nice little place. Yeah, we're just going to get the drone up while it's so nice. It's just coming on sunset now, so hopefully we'll have some nice shots. Good morning, everyone. It's a shame we can't stay at this site just a little bit longer. There was such a nice sunrise this morning. You can see behind me it's probably a little bit bright. But I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. We will show, or have shown. But yes, another day of driving today. We're heading down to Sandy Point, I believe I booked. We were going to put on the dual hitch this morning, but we're running out of time. We sort of enjoyed the morning and slept in a little. Well, we slept until 6:30. That's a sleep in for us. So we won't do it until the next campsite because we've got a bit more time there until we hop on the ferry. So we'll have a bit more time to put that on there. But the amenities at this campsite are just impeccable. It's brand new, and I wish we had time to have a shower and sort of wash our clothes here and stuff like that, because it's just really nice. Hopefully the next campsite's just the same. So again, we have 5 hours of driving. 5 hours of driving today, so I don't want to show you that, so let's do it this way. And welcome to Sandy Point, Victoria.
6 hours driving and we finally made it. We'll show you the sunset, not much of it left, but we will show you the sunrise in the morning. This place is going to look stunning.
We're wombat hunting.
Come, let's find wombat.
You saw one a second ago. Is he still there? He is still there, we can see. Try not to get too close.
Move this way, you can see him better.
Is it him?
Yeah. Come on, move forwards. If he bolts, he bolts.
Oh, cool! He froze.
Apparently there's an albino one round here somewhere, but I don't think we're going to see him.
Oh, that's really cool.
Or her. I don't know what they
Oh
are.
yeah. Anyway, back to the van. So last night we tried to go to Gully Reserve, which is a stunning place, but we were really looking for laundry because we really wanted to have everything clean, including ourselves, ready for Tassie, our boat trip tonight. So we're looking for somewhere with toilets, shower and a laundry. So we got down to Bear Gully last night and went, this has nothing, it's beautiful but it's nothing for us. So we rang this place, it was 15 minutes away, and it's just as stunning. It's all along the coastline down here, and I'll hopefully put a little map if I can get one out. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to have showers, clean all our things, all our clothes, and also get fix the bike rack so it doesn't like hit the ground every 2 seconds, and we'll go for bumps. So that's our plan. What a view to do with a bike in. We're going to lift the scooter rack up now. Hopefully this does the trick.
Hopefully this does the trick. That will go in there, and then the scooter rack will go in there.
I honestly don't think it's going to be lifted high enough if it's going to sit out further.
I think it's going to get us higher and clearer, but that's about it. I think it's just going to save us a lot more scrapes than we were going to get.
That sits out heaps.
It's that much higher.
It's also on a massive angle.
Whereas it was there. Well, that's raised it up about another 6 inches. Previously that handlebar was level with that handle there, so I'd say about 4 to 6 inches higher, which is going to help, but we've still got it hanging out the back. That's going to be fun. It's like,
Pack lunch to get to the...
yeah, it's like someone's following us. Anyway, this is all we can do at the moment.
This little place is so cute. It's got its own little phone box, which I haven't seen in a very long time, and a post box, and a kiosk that's open in the afternoon on Sundays, during the day, on Saturdays, and these little fire pits are on little lawnmowers, so you can push them to your site. How cool is that? So we've left our little site down by the beach. We've washed ourselves, we've washed our clothes, everything's clean, and now we're heading to, still got a few more things to do. We've got to go to Super Cheap to get seat covers for here, because just to make it a little bit more comfy, and I think we're going to Bunnings to get something. What are we getting?
We're getting some coat hooks.
Coat hooks.
Other little things, bits and bobs that make life a bit easier in here that we forgot about.
Yeah. Some things that make living in a van a bit more livable rather than camping in a van. So we're just going to get a couple of different things before we go on our ferry to Melbourne. Ferry to Tassie from Melbourne. I'm very excited, but we'll take you to see what we bought first. We just finished at Super Cheap and got some seat covers and some lumbar support for me because my back hurts. And we were going to do a few more things today, but I think we've run out of time. We need to get to our ferry by 5, so we're going to head straight to Melbourne Port now. Woohoo!
Yes. It's going to be a struggle.
Yeah, well, it says we're going to get there at 3:45, but it is peak hour at that time, so now I'm a bit worried. So we're going to leave early and make sure we actually get around that area at least at that time. Welcome to the city. Not my thing anymore. Well, we are stuck in traffic in Melbourne trying to get to our ferry. The time is ticking away, and I did predict this peak hour, but as I'm from the Gold Coast and Brisbane, we don't have peak hour like this. This is nothing that I've seen before, so hopefully we'll get to the ferry on time. But I might sign off now so we can concentrate on this traffic, and cross fingers we will get on this ferry on time and we can show you around next week. But please subscribe and follow along and come with us to Tassie, hopefully.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment. But look at this, my God. The timer is 30 minutes until ferry. Anyway, we'll see you next week. Bye.
5 hours driving. Oh, what's going on?
Stop doing this with my hands.